and welcome to Portland TV. My name is Yasmin Hamdan.
As we proudly recommence operations following a meticulously planned maintenance shutdown, today our factory pulsates with vibrancy and prestige as we are honored by the presence of distinguished guests, including Cabinet Secretary for the Ministry, Industry, Trade and Investments, Ms. Rebecca Miano, Principal Secretary Dr. Juma Muhwana, and our esteemed Board of Directors. This recommissioning symbolizes our unwavering dedication to breathe new life into the cement manufacturing sector, setting the stage for revitalization and expansion. Join us as we embark on a journey of transformation and growth.
Just to note that we have recommissioned a new plant at the plant after major repairs. I was told by the engineer that the work that was done using local capacity and skills, and we did not have expatriates or imported labor. And I want to congratulate East Africa Portland Cement for that milestone. I want to challenge us that we ensure that we keep our plant in good condition. We adhere to our maintenance practices so that our O&M work is done with speed, with precision, and done as and when it is required. I am told that over the last 10 years, no major refurbishment of this kind has been done. And I'm wondering, how did we even survive? Congratulations that at least we are strong, but going forward, this is the right time to have done your refurbishment. If you look at all the work that is going on in this country, the construction work, the work on social housing and affordable housing, the businesses, this is the right time for East Africa Portland Cement to prove itself. We all know you've had, I don't know whether to call it difficult or bad or interesting past, but the past has not been quite impressive. But the future is more important and it is bright. I want to call upon all the employees to come out and be counted in your contribution to making East Africa Portland Cement as one of the most profitable, progressive, admired organization in Kenya.
So this is a resource that God has given us. We have no excuse at all to be importing clinker. But then somehow we are importing clinker because our demand currently is about 12 million tons. We are only making about 9. And out of this, a lot of it is again imported. So mine is to really thank you for the courage to be born afresh, with a different thinking, with a different mindset, with different energy, so that our focus is on business decision making, decisions that will build this company. So we are looking for efficient and effectiveness. You are the most competitive, Madam CS, this is the most competitive cement factory because they are located right in the city. The raw material is just down the road. Most of the other companies, you'll find our neighbors, somebody's moving clinker from limestone from Loitoktok, then you grind it in somewhere in Emali, then you make cement in Nakuru. If you look at those costs, this is the most effective. They have the nearest factory to the city. They have the nearest limestone deposit to Nairobi. There is no other factory that has that kind of capacity. What it means is that you really have no excuse to make any loss. But I know that that is history. I like the focus. I like the determination of the chair, who is doing this with military precision. Chair, bring that military experience. That's what we have been lacking here. Let's do it because it can be done.
Finalization of the plant refurbishment and resultant improved production and efficiency, we are confident that the company will accomplish the production and the revenue targets. They will in turn translate into positive returns to the company's shareholders in form of dividends. We have anchored sustainability through integration of environment, social, and governance (ESG) goals in our strategic planning. Besides being responsible custodians to the planet, focus on ESG goals in a key requirement. So far, within the Capital Markets Authority for listed companies and the environment and the climate pillar in the government bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Towards this ambition of being a responsible custodian of the planet, we have already launched the environment pillar of ESG with a 1 million trees by the year 2027 campaign, and so far we are well within our annual target of planting 200,000 trees. In conclusion, we are confident that our strategic plan will cement the gains registered so far and the guarantee sustainability of the business.
Madam CS, it is evident from the tour you have done at the plant that going forward, the future of this business is secured. We might seem small in the industry, but in terms of importance and relevance, specifically to the government, we feel we have a lot to offer. One, by putting better linkages, such as the discussions we have had on acquisition of land by state corporations, where we have also very keen interest to house EPZA, the Special Economic Zone, and Ujenzi Park in our idle land through commercial transactions. We also intend to optimize on our route to market through increased participation in government infrastructure, and we also want to do deliberate partnership with corporations such as Kenya Railways for purposes of transportation of our cement to the various destinations in this country, and also to partner with initiatives like the Karibu Business Support Center for better distribution. Madam CS, we are very much cognizant of the government's deliberate policy towards activating manufacturing and our role in averting unnecessary importation, and we are fully in support of government levy on importation of clinker as an integrated plant because of the fact that we do not want to continue giving jobs to overseas people when our very people require these jobs. In addition, we are keen on investing in alternative building material for purposes of diversification, and we look forward to readying ourselves, and we are ready after the refurbishment to make sure that we reap from all opportunities the affordable housing portends.
Thank you so much, and thank you for this opportunity. And for me, this has been a great day. I'm Joel Keme, Head of HR and Administration. I'm in charge of employees, security and administration. And as the person who is in charge of employees, I want to say that this was a great day for us as employees of Portland, because it was actually the recommissioning of the plan. And this plan has not been done very well for the last 10 years. So for us, this is a new beginning. This is a repart. And we are really excited because, the program went on very very well, and we were given a message of hope. And more importantly, we have been honored by the CS of investment, trade and industry, together with the PS, and the entire board of directors. So it was like a Thanksgiving ceremony, because we have had a get-together, we have commissioned the plan, we have had prayers, and for us, this is just but the beginning of the good things. We have never had an experience like this as far as the history of this company is concerned. I've been here for the last 10 years, but for me, it is an experience which has instilled a lot of hope in me and the entire workforce. And for sure, we will see this company come back to profitability.
Thank you so much. My name is David Kilonzo, Head of Commercial, East African Portland Cement. I would say today that we had a very, very successful event because ideally this is a rebirth of this amazing company that has been in existence for the last 90 years, and I'm looking forward to a brighter future from this day forward. This company is moving out from just the ordinary companies that manufacture and sell cements to a global market leader, because I'm looking at a situation whereby this company should be able to reclaim its lost glory in the market. We are looking at a situation whereby we should be able to command not less than 50% of the market share and just be the market leader as we were way before. So it's looking very, very positive and promising, and we are going to really reclaim our market share. To my very, very loyal customers, you know, one thing I love about my customers is that they are very loyal, and my message going forward is that we are going to walk this journey together. We are going to avail our product and make sure that they have more than enough cement to distribute, and of course we are going to make sure that we work together as partners to move this brand to not less than 50% market share.
I'm Elizabeth Gadoni Kimani, Head of Internal Audit and Risk Management. Today has been a great day as we recommission our factory after a long shutdown, maintenance shutdown, a turnaround shutdown that has involved a lot of overhauls, and we are believing God that this will be a new beginning for our company to move to profitability, to move to productivity, to be able to satisfy our market, to be able to give our customers the product that they have been waiting for. So for me, the occasion being graced by our CS and our PS, our board, and every other stakeholder, we are really grateful that we can come together and recommission ourselves, relaunch ourselves into the market, and we are believing that this is our turning around. We feel like an eagle that has already shed the old feathers, and we are ready to soar, we are ready to produce, and we are ready to meet our market demands. In the next 5 years, I believe we have the competencies. We have very trained employees, engineers. The work has been done internally. We didn't have expert fit. So I believe we have the competencies that we require. We have the energy, we have the power that we require to deliver in our strategic objectives. So I believe in the next 5 years, we will not be singing the story of we'll do. We'll have done it.
My name is Ann Komira. I'm the business controller for EAPC. I'm also the one in charge of strategy. We had a very wonderful day today, having the opportunity to be visited by the CS for investments, trade and industry, and also accompanied by the PS. It was such a wonderful day, a new beginning for the company, having gone through a long whole month of maintenance, turnaround, and we are looking forward to having our business refurbished, improving the throughput, and also managing our targets, of course utilizing the efficiency, and we are looking into the issue of now satisfying our customer demands and coming back into the market, so we'll be so visible. As an employee, it was actually such an honor and a good event, being part of the team to witness this turnaround, and of course the company has gone through a bit of challenges, and it's also very good that today we've marked the end of these challenges and we are going to come back to the market in a very big way. Our visibility, our market regeneration, and all the strategies that we have to bring everything together will be quite good. It was good because the honor was also embraced or celebrated celebrated by our board members. It is a whole company thing. We are all on it, and now we are so much refocused back onto productivity and performance.
Here is to back, bigger and better. Thank you for watching. I have been your host, Yasmin Hamdan. Till next time, bye-bye.